Hey everyone, I hope you are all having a great day. So today I am going to talk a little bit about the Alma BB and why I feel like it is the best handbag for the money from Louis Vuitton. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Hi, welcome to my channel. I would love it if you would subscribe. So I make videos on fashion, luxury handbags. Once in a while, I'll do a cooking video. I do some vlogging. So if you think that those topics are something you'd be interested in, I really love if you could subscribe. That'd be awesome. And if you enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Okay, so let's get into it. So I have had this Alma BB for probably like 5 years, I believe. I can't remember exactly. I didn't look back. I think I got it in 2017. Is that right? Yeah, something like 5 years. I just really love it. And so I used it yesterday. I haven't used it for a long time actually. And it's almost like I just forgot how great it is. It's like I knew it was great, but I was just into my other bags and I just hadn't touched it for a while. So I used it and I was thinking to myself, oh my goodness, this is just such an amazing bag. I love this bag so much. And I was looking online at the cost of them, and the cost has gone up quite a bit over the last few years. But in my opinion, this is still one of the best bags that you can buy from Louis Vuitton. The prices are insane all around, period. So it's not like it's like a good deal or anything. You're not finding no good deals on there. But compared to other full leather bags, so this is the epi leather, and you can buy this in canvas as well, which is a few $100s less than the leather version. But for a full leather handbag from Louis Vuitton, there are no other options in this price range. I believe most of their full leather handbags start at $4,500, maybe $5,000. The prices are insane. So the fact that you can buy this, I know in Canada it is $2,500. Yes, that's insane if you're just tuning in and you're like, what the heck is she talking about? But for an all leather bag that is a luxury designer under $3,000, believe it or not, that's actually pretty good. So that is why I say this is the best handbag from Louis Vuitton. And in my opinion, if you are new to handbags, this might be your number one choice. If you like this bag, of course, for like from all fashion houses, because nobody is offering an all leather bag for under $3,000 anymore in the luxury market, unfortunately. So the price, of course, is one absolute positive point. Another reason why I'm such a huge advocate of this handbag is that I feel like it's one of the only bags that transitions very nicely from daytime to evening. And in my opinion, because of the design of this bag, I feel like it's very pretty and classy. I feel like it could even be dressed up quite a bit. I feel like you can wear this with a fancy dress and totally get away with this handbag. But you can put on the strap and wear this over your coat every day. I feel it's definitely not a summer bag, but in the winter, like over a wool coat or whatever, this is very chic and super, it can be very daytime, you know, but it's super evening at the same time too. And what I absolutely love about it when I go out to eat with this bag, I do actually have a hook I can hang it on the table with, but another feature that I really like is it doesn't take up a lot of space on a table. So, and you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry that it's too big. Am I gonna put it on the back of my chair? It's gonna get banged up. I don't know if you guys are like me, but every time I put a handbag on the back of a chair, it gets beat. Like everybody that walks by just smashes into my bag. You don't have to worry about putting it on the ground. If you do though, you do have feet, which is also rare in a bag, and that's another huge pro. But yeah, it's just such a perfect size. So you can put it on the table. It doesn't take up much room. I absolutely love that. It's not normal that I would say put your bag on the table. I think maybe it can actually be kind of rude. I don't know if it's like, I don't think it's proper etiquette, but because it's kind of small, I feel like it slips through. I can kind of get away with it, right? Yeah, so the price point, the fact that it's transitional from daytime to evening, the convenient size. Also, I wanted to mention that I was using my Burberry note bag, which I don't have it here with me, but it's a messenger style bag it's fairly big. It's not super big, but you would think actually it's bigger than this. Believe it or not, everything that was in that bag, and that bag was pretty full, fit into this bag, no problem. I thought for sure I'm gonna have to make some sacrifices and cut down my stuff. I didn't have to at all. I still had room for everything and my phone. So yes, even though it's small, it really does fit a lot. I don't know what's up with this. It's just really deceiving. And I feel like anybody who owns the Alma BB will say the same thing. They fit so much more than you think they're gonna fit. It's crazy. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I love the epi for how understated it is, like this epi leather version. The only logo on the bag is right here. And then there's Louis Vuitton written on the clochette here. So if you don't feel like being flashy, it's just absolutely great. But what's so nice is if they know Louis Vuitton, like, you know, this is a Louis Vuitton bag, but if you don't really, you don't, and that's fine. Maybe you don't want everybody to know, right? I don't. I actually like being discreet. So I don't know. I just think it's an amazing bag. I think all of the colorways and patterns and canvases and whatever are very beautiful. I just love the Alma BB. I don't think you can go wrong. Just make sure whatever you're buying is the right one for you and that it's going to be wearable for you. Yeah, so that wraps up my video on the Alma BB and why I feel it is the best bag for the money that Louis Vuitton has to offer. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.